Namaskara champions. This is your Pramila ma'am. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? So today we are going to deal with KSET counseling. Yes, KSET is an exam which is being conducted by Karnataka's examination authority. You have three categories: PCM, PCB, PCMB. That, and yes, you know your KSET counseling occurs online. Ma'am, why should I feel or why should I watch this video? Is KSET counseling that important? Yes. If you have given 100% importance for your KSET exam, then your KSET counseling should have at least 1000% importance. That is how big and how important your counseling is, because without this counseling, you are not going to get seat in your dream college, be it affiliated, be it the grade RV or whatsoever. So yes, this KSET counseling is very, very important. There are lots of students who, tend to fail to proceed with the KSET counseling only because they do not know the exact process on what happens in KSET counseling. And yes, my dear, I'm going to tell you all the steps, each and every step needed for the counseling. So please make sure that you watch this video thoroughly without fail. Of course, KSET counseling is done onlinely. It is an online mode counseling. Once your result is out, you will move ahead with your KSET counseling. You have certain process to be done. I'll tell you step by step. So when are the KSET dates allocated? Also, how many rounds of KSET choice filling bound to be occurred? First of all, you have to understand that you have two rounds, round one and round two. Of course, once you get the result, the tentative dates of both the rounds will be announced. Now we do not have the data for that. And in both the rounds, the process is said to be quite similar. Step number one, you have document verification process. Yes, you have to ensure that you take along your documents, requisite documents, which is your application form, your admit card, your 10th, 12th mark sheet, your study certificate, if in case of BO and DDPI, your recent passport size photographs. They say two is enough, but I would say that take at least 4 to 6 copies in case of emergency. Alongside, make sure you take all the relevant documents based on your category, like maybe OBC, SC, ST, on the basis of the category. Fine. So, yes, my dear. So, the very first step is to verify the document. I'll give you a list of documents, a checklist in this video alongside, so that you could have, a very good idea on what you have to take and what not. Fine. Along with all of this, you have to give your unique ID and password. You have to ensure that you make an account there and then move with the proceedings. So, step number two is choice filling and locking. Once document verification is completely done, by giving your unique ID and password, you have to ensure that you have to select the colleges and courses based on the preference. You have to, if RV college is on first preference, give it, followed by second college, third college, so on and so forth. You have to give all the preferential colleges and courses which you want in the college. Once the choices are locked, no changes will be accepted. You have to take these choices into consideration. Then, after giving all of your choices, now your seats will be allocated, and this seat allocation is completely based on your merit and your preferential list, which is given beforehand. And once the seat allotment results are out, you can, if you're not comfortable with the college or the course, you feel no, I don't want this college or this course, you you might have chances, and you obviously have chances to make the changes for the same. Fine. So, as I told before, you have 2 rounds of counseling, you have 2 rounds of choice filling here. Please make sure amongst both of these rounds, you have all the important documents in hand, and also you should download and print the provisional allotment letter or allotment letter once it is being availed to you. After that, you have to report at the allotted institute. Say, for example, you got a seat in RV. for say computer science engineering, right? You have to report to the college and confirm the admission. This is very very crucial, my dear, because I have seen a lot of people who just apply for KSET counseling. They just apply for the seat. They feel that okay, this seat is mine, but they do not go to the college and confirm the admission, which means if you do not confirm the admission, you do not have the seat. Make sure that you follow, go to the college and confirm the allocation, confirm the admission, and once it is done, voila, your seat is locked. You are going to study your dream course in your dream college. Once you complete all of this, right, ma'am, I what happens if I do not like the college which is being given, through counseling, or what happens if I do not, like the college or the process which has to be held entirely by cases? I'm going to, completely go on management quota. What should I do? In that case, you have four choices to fill. Choice number one is that you are satisfied with whatever college and whatever course you get through your KSET counseling. In that case, you have to ensure that you have to pay the requisite fee, and you have to download the admission order through the portal of Karnataka's education KE. Choice two is that you are waiting for better options, not just for the option which you have already got or already allotted. You're waiting for some other good, high ranked courses or options. In that case, the candidate choosing this option will, they do not have to pay the seat acceptance fee. You have another choice, which is you are not satisfied with the seat allotment and you want to take the second round of counseling. In that case, the seat allotted in the first round should be cancelled or shall be cancelled. And finally, choice four is that you're not satisfied with the allotment or you're not satisfied with the KSET counseling. You're trying to make sure that you go by the process of management. In that case, you don't have to pay the fees and you can just, nullify the entire process. You can choose option four. Fine. So please make sure that you choose the options wisely. Choice one is for yes, I accept it. Choice two is waiting for a better option. Choice three is to cancel the given allotment. And choice four is to cancel and say tata bye bye to the entire KSET council. Fine. So, ma'am, could you please tell me what are all the important documents to be taken into consideration for allotment? Dekana, please make sure that whatever, take a screenshot of this page. Fine. I'm not going to give you each and everything word by word, but take a screenshot of this page. You need all of these documents whenever necessary based on your category. And after, getting the seat allotment, confirming the admission, and once you go to the college, please make sure that you take your original documents along with, they say just two copies enough, but sometimes you might need extra copies. So take 3 to 4 copies then and then. The same applies for photography. Take 3 to 4 photocopies then and there when you reach the college to confirm your admission. Yes. So this is how you have to work out with your KSET counseling, my dear. I've given you all the details which you need for KSET counseling. Once again, I'm telling you that the counseling part is very, 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 very important. I cannot stress how much it is important to you. It is that much important. So, yes, please make sure that you make choices wisely because this is one time, one time offer, something like that. And make sure that you get extremely, extremely good college with extremely good course, which is based on your preference. So, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, this is Premla Ma'am signing off. Tada, bye bye. Take care and have a great day, my dear.